classroom. We are going to be performing the headmaster skill, hopefully the way that you're supposed to do it at state. Right now, what we're going to do is taking and recording a manual pulse and respiration. So we're just going to start at the beginning, and we're going to start right now. Knock, knock, knock. Hey, Terry. I'm Misty. I'm your nurse today. All we have to do is to get your pulse and respirations, okay? Okay. All right. So we're going to provide privacy. In a previous skill, I did forget to pull the curtain, but everything else is appropriate in that skill. But you do want to provide privacy because, you know, you don't want to violate your patient's privacy. All right, Terry. So what we're going to do is count your radial pulse. In the previous skill, I did demonstrate how to find radial pulse. You're going to find it on your patient's wrist. So what you're looking for is the radius of the arm, the bone that radiates out, and the wrist bone, or sorry, the wrist articulation right here, and the thumb. So you're going to find the pulse on the thumb side. So that's the radial pulse, and you need to count it for a full minute. So you have your watch ready. Say, okay, Terry, we're going to count your pulse for a full minute starting now. You would count for a full minute. Okay, Terry, so we have a full minute's pulse, and we got a value of 72. So what you're going to do is record your pulse on the recording form that they're going to provide you at state, and it's going to look something like this. So the pulse would go right here, 72. So I'm going to put my name where it says candidate's name, and then you would have to sign. But we're not done yet. We still need to get a respiration count. So, all right, Terry, now we're going to count your respirations. So again, if you can't see the respirations on your patient really well, you can raise the bed up to make them a little bit easier to visualize, or you can ask your patient if you can place your hand on their belly or maybe their chest so you can count the rise and fall of the chest. And you want to be sure you get a full cycle, a full inhalation and exhalation, not a partial, so that way you get an accurate count. So, okay, Terry, we're going to count your respirations. And I'm going to place my hand right here on your chest so I can be sure it's accurate. And we're going to start counting for a full minute starting now. And you would count for a full minute. Okay, Terry, we got a value of 16. So we're going to record it on our recording form right here where it would say respirations. And you would record your 16. Be sure your name is on it and that you've signed it. Be sure your nurse examiner has your recording form. So we're done. We've made sure our patient is comfortable in the bed. They have